All right, we got Filipino songs that sound like they're foreign. So I'm guessing these are like
Malaki talaga ang impluwensya
Filipino artists.
ng mga banyagang singers sa ating mga Pilipino. Ang kanilang napakagandang mga musika
Is it Filipino artists with English songs, or is it like comparing two different
ay
artists?
naging inspirasyon ng iilan sa atin upang makagawa ng mga dekalidad na mga awitin. Kaya't ngayon sa video na ito ay ibabahagi ko sa inyo ang mga kantang Pinoy na
I
madalas
wish
pagkamalang
there
foreign
was translation
or
for this.
international song dahil na rin sa kalidad at tunog nito.
You are my first
Okay, let's see.
and I'm willing to
Part 4. Should I probably start at part 1, but
10. Got to Let You Know by Tito Mina.
okay.
Only one I'm depending on.
Okay.
Ang ito ay madalas mapagkamala noon na foreign song dahil bukod kasi sa English nitong lyrics ay kaboses din ng kumanta ang American singer na si James Taylor.
Huh.
Pero ito ay kinanta ng Pinoy singer na si Tito Mina at
Interesting. That does kind of sim.
3.
Tito Amina.
Number 9. Somewhere
I'm gonna learn a lot.
by Julie Vega.
just wondering why
Wow.
it seems I've
What a voice.
known you all my life.
Ang kantang ito ay na-release noong year 1985. Kinumpos ni Monte
1985,
Rosario at in-interpret ng nooy 17 anyos na si Julie Vega.
Can it be true? Could I be wrong? There's somewhere in my past there was source of me and you.
Mala 70s American song ang dating at tunog ng kantang ito. Parang kahanay ng mga kanta ni Anne Murray at Karen Carpenter.
Can it be true?
It does kind of sound like that's true.
I'd be wrong. There's somewhere in my past I fell in love with you.
Number 8. Beautiful Girl by Jose Marichan.
Oh damn.
You are, I knew when Ang Jose Marichan's
What a
1989
voice.
smash hit song na ito na pinamagatang Beautiful Girl ay masasabi ko talagang isa sa pinaka-the best English song na naisulat dito sa Pilipinas.
It was destiny's game. For when love finally came on.
Tunog banyaga ang kantang ito dahil na rin sa mala American accent ni Jose Marichan at nanalo rin ito ng Best Produced Record of the Year by Awit Awards.
Beautiful girl,
Won the awards.
I'll search on for you
Man, what a voice though.
till all of your loveliness.
And it definitely does sound like,
You've Made Me Stronger by Regine Velasquez.
you know, like a foreign singer, but it's not.
But you've made me stronger by breaking my heart.
Okay.
Did my life and made a better one start.
Ang 1995 song na ito ni Miss Regine Velasquez ay masasabi kong napaka-underrated. Di na kasi ito masyadong nare-recognize ngayon at bihira lang din ang nakakaalam na si Miss Reg pala ang kumanta nito, maliban na lamang sa kanyang mga diehard fans.
One star. You've taught me everything from falling in love to letting go of a lie.
To be honest, if I didn't know this is from Philippines, I'll be like, oh, it's some.
Baby,
Is it like an American track, right, or something?
Ng kantang ito,
Yeah.
kahanay ng mga kanta ng mga
Definitely gives an American vibe.
singers, kagaya ni na Selena, Donna Lewis, at Brandy. Narelease ito noong year 1995 at naging bahagi ng album na pinamagatang My Love Emotion.
you've made me stronger by breaking my heart. You went in my life and made a
Wow.
better one start. You've taught me
That's incredible.
everything.
Number 6. Say You'll Never Go by Neo Colors.
Mm-hmm.
How can I make it through the day without you?
Ang romantic song na ito ay na-release noon pang year 1989. Ito ay naging bahagi ng kanilang album
There's so much great stuff here that I'm learning.
You never go.
Damn.
Say you never go out my way.
Ang album na ito ay nag-reach ng platinum sales during that time at isa sa mga dahilan nito ay ang kantang Say You'll Never Go.
Say you'll never go.
What a voice. Man.
Say you'll never go out my way.
Number 5, Forever Blue by Kakay Velasquez.
Don't wanna be forever blue, 'cause I deserve some love that's true.
Ang kantang Forever Blue ay naging bahagi ng album na pinamagatang Acoustic Natin 2 na na-release noong year 2004. Isang napaka-sweet na kanta na kinumpos ni Jingle Buena at ininterpret ni Miss Kakay Velasquez.
Used to like the sound of the rain and feel your arms around me. Together we go and say.
Sa mga hindi nakakakilala, siya po ay kapatid ni Miss Regine Velasquez. Marami rin siyang mga songs na na-release, ngunit ang kantang Forever Blue talaga ang mas tumatak at nakilala sa Pilipinas.
Don't wanna be forever blue, 'cause I deserve some love that's true. Finding it all
Again, like the pronunciation and even like the accents.
someday.
That sounds amazing.
I was wrong to want you.
Number 4, Till My Heart Aches End by Ella May Saison.
You said that you would never leave me. You told me no, so much more like when the time you whispered in my
Kung papakinggan mo ang boses ng kumanta nito, ay mapagkakamalan mong isa siyang
Dude,
African
Filipinos are so talented when it comes to
sa kanyang
singing.
singing.
Like great artists.
At mataas na boses na malasyakakan.
I was afraid this time would come.
Mm.
Prepared to face this kind of hurting from.
Damn, okay.
Pero ito pala ay kinanta ng isang purong Pinay na si Ella May Saison. Na-release noong year 1993 at naging bahagi ng kanyang album na pinamagatang Language of Soul.
Tonight and into my dreams.
Oh man.
You come and touch me once again.
She's incredible.
Seal my heart extend.
Oh my god, that was amazing.
Line to Heaven by Intro Voice.
heaven knows I've done no wrong.
Yo, Wish.
Wish 1075.
I only want to sing this song.
Di ko naman nilalahat pero actually marami talagang mga Pinoy ang nag-akala na foreign song ang kantang ito. Mula sa tugtugan, sa boses, at syempre sa meaning ng kanta, ay may tulad mo talaga ito sa mga sikat na kanta sa Amerika.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear
Oh yeah.
I'd call you there.
Oh my god.
Ever had a line to heaven, I swear.
Definitely sounds like American slow rock or something like that.
Intro Voice. Na-release ito noong year 1993 at alam nyo ba na ang kantang ito ay naisulat ng kanilang
But I feel like even if there were
Chris Pacochaga dahil sa matinding kalungkutan, ang kanyang
like not in English, they would still sound amazing, you know?
makalipas lamang ang taon ay sumunod din agad ang kanyang ama dahil sa stroke.
If I ever had a line to heaven, I swear I'll be there tonight.
Wish exclusive on Wish.
Number 2,
Number 2.
Only Me and You by Donna Cruz.
And a dream that you were far away.
napakagandang awitin na ito ay kinanta ng singer at actress na si Donna Cruz. Ito ay nagmula sa kanyang pang-apat na album na pinamagatang Habang May Buhay.
That's incredible.
It's enough for me that I have come to love the you I see, because the heart I have
Wow.
could only want.
She's a natural.
Nag-hit agad ito sa mga radyo during summer of 1995 at nanalo pa ng award bilang Best Ballad Recording by Awit Awards.
Okay.
Even if it takes forever, I will wait until the world
I mean, she's got an incredible voice. Damn, this video is very interesting.
that's left is only me and you.
Number 1.
Okay.
Undefined, sweet surrender.
Oh man.
Ako personally inakala ko talagang international
That's-
band ang kumanta nito. A rock song na gawa ng mga sikat na band
Okay.
sa Amerika.
Was he like raised in America or something? I mean,
Pero ito ay kinanta ng Pinoy band na The Speaks.
no.
Na-release noong year 2003.
I don't know.
Nag-rank ito bilang top 40
That's incredible.
during that time at naging number 1 sa mga charts for 7 weeks.